Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Specs. My name is Stephanie and today we're going to continue with our Fractions in 5 series. Today we're going to learn how to convert mixed numbers into improper fractions. So let's continue. So when we have mixed numbers and we want to rewrite them as improper fractions, we multiply this whole number in the front by the denominator and we add the numerator. And for our improper fraction, we keep the same denominator. So I would multiply 3 times 5, that would give me 15, plus 3 would give me 18 on the top, on the numerator, and our denominator is going to be the same, so we would just write 5. So this would be our improper fraction. So let's continue and do some more examples to rewrite mixed numbers into improper fractions. For the first example, we're asked to rewrite 3 1/4 as an improper fraction. So I write 3 1/4. Now I'm going to multiply 3 times 4 and I'm going to add 1. So 3 times 4 will give me 12, plus 1 will give me 13 as my numerator. For my denominator, I simply bring the 4 here that was in this denominator over. And that is my new improper fraction, 13/4. Notice how we kept our denominator here and here the same. We multiplied this whole number times the denominator and we added this numerator. So let's continue to the next example. In example 2, we're asked to rewrite this mixed number 1 2/3 as an improper fraction. So I write 1 2/3. Now I'm going to multiply 1 times 3, 1 times the denominator, and then we're going to add the numerator. So 1 times 3 will give me 3, plus 2 will be 5. And now for our denominator, we carry this denominator over. 3 is the denominator here, so we carry it over, and that is our new improper fraction. We multiplied 1 times 3, 1 times the denominator, and we added our number in the numerator. And for our denominator, we simply carried over this denominator in the mixed number, and now it is the same denominator in our improper fraction. Let's continue. For example 3, we're asked to rewrite 5 2/7 as an improper fraction. So 5 2/7. This will equal. So I am going to multiply 5 times 7 and add 2, or add my numerator. So 5 times 7 will be 35, and plus 2, 35 plus 2 will give me 37. And now for my denominator here, for my improper fraction, it's going to be 7 because we simply carry that denominator over. It's the same one. Okay. So here we multiplied 5 times 7. That would give me 35. And then we have 35 plus 2. That would give me 37. Okay. Let's continue to the next example. And in our final example, we're going to rewrite 8 1/2 as an improper fraction. So here 8 1/2. So we're going to multiply 8 times 2 and then add 1. So you can write 8 times 2, and that will give me 16. And then 16 plus 1 will give me 17. So that will be my numerator. And my denominator is going to be 2. We're going to keep the same denominator here and write it here. So 17/2 is our improper fraction. And we have rewritten 8 1/2 as an improper fraction. So let's continue. And that is the conclusion of our fractions in 5. Congratulations. In this series, we learned how to find the lowest common denominator. We also practiced how to add fractions. We learned how to multiply fractions, divide fractions as well. And today you learned how to rewrite mixed numbers into improper fractions. Thank you so much for your time and attention. Stay tuned for more math skills in 5. And until the next time, take care.